run.
Fish on. Yeah, fish on. Nothing crazy. Let's see what we got. Copper, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice fish on, bro. Fuck yeah. I see it. Oh, it's a blue. I caught it on the fucking. It's on the side. Yeah, it's a nice blue though.
Yeah.
That's a nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Huge. I've been catching a bunch of fish right now, but there's not the ones I need. I need well, I caught 2 ling cods. Caught 2 lings, both undersized, and then I caught yellow eye. Can't keep those, they're protected. And then right now, let's see what we got right now. See that little bladder or whatever? You just gotta poke it with the hole. Because when you bring them up, that thing expands stuff with air. So you gotta poke it with the hole.
Yeah, I'm gonna have these guys start pulling themselves up.
Hey guys. Okay. We have boats waiting for loads right now. You guys gotta help each other push the kayaks up the hill.
9, 8, 9, 4, 5, 5, 0. Do you have a winner?
Time ticking!
9, 8, 9.